Hi friends, welcome to Time to Learn TNPC. இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிற சாப்டர்னா வாட்டர். Introduction. Water is one of the basic substances present in the earth. It plays a vital role in the evolution and survival of life. It is impossible to imagine life on the earth without water. Water helps to regulate the temperature of our planet. It also helps to maintain the temperature in organisms. Where and how water is found on the earth. Water is available in nature in three forms: solid, liquid and vapor. Solid form of water to ice. It is present in icebergs and ice caps on top of tall mountains, glaciers and polar regions. Liquid form of water to water. It is present in oceans, seas, lakes, rivers and even underground. Gaseous form of water to vapor. It is present in the air around us. Availability of water. We know that nearly 3/4 of the surface of the earth is occupied by water. Most of the water, that is 97% of the total amount of water that exists on earth, is found in seas and oceans. Can we drink the water available in the sea? Seawater is salty, but water used for our daily purpose is not salty. It is known as fresh water. Water obtained from ponds, puddles, river, tube wells and taps at home. It is usually fresh water. If the total water on the earth be 100%, let's see what percentage would be the availability of fresh water. Look at the pie chart given below. All water on earth. Saline வந்து 97%, fresh water only 3%, ice caps and glaciers 68.7%, lakes வந்து 87%, rivers 2%, groundwater 30.1%, other வந்து 0.9%, surface water வந்து 0.3%, swamps வந்து 11%. From the pie chart, it can also be noted that 97% of water is saline water. Only 3% is found in the fresh water, and that too in polar ice caps and glaciers. So this portion of water is not readily available for drinking. The distribution of the total available 3% fresh water is as follows: polar ice caps and glaciers 68.7%, groundwater 30.1%, other source of water 0.9%, surface water 0.3%. The distribution of total 0.3% of surface water is as follows: lakes 87%, river 2%, swamps and 11%. Water, while passing through layers of soil, dissolves salts and minerals to a maximum extent. These salts and minerals have been deposited in seas and oceans for millions of years and are still being deposited. In addition, the oceanic volcanoes which are present inside also add salts to the sea. Water with large amounts of dissolved salts is not potable or suitable for drinking. Such water is called saline water. இங்கே வந்து வாட்டரோட சோர்ஸ் யூசேஜெலாம் பிக்சரைசேஷனாக கொடுத்துருவாங்க. நம்ம இனிமேல் டீட்டெயிலாக பார்க்கலாம். Composition of water. Water is a transparent, tasteless, odorless and nearly colorless chemical substance. It is composed of two atoms of hydrogen combined with one atom of oxygen. The molecular formula of water is H2O. However, the physical composition of water changes from place to place. It can be clear or cloudy, oxygenated or not very oxygenated, and it can be fresh or salty. The amount of salt in water is termed as salinity. Based on salinity water, it is classified into three main categories such as fresh water, brackish water and seawater. Fresh water contains 0.05% to 1% of salt. Brackish water contains up to 3% of salt, and seawater contains more than 3% of ocean water. It is composed of many substances. The salts include sodium chloride, magnesium chloride and calcium chloride. Do you know water freezes at 0 at normal pressure? Every year March 22nd is observed as the World Water Day. இது கூட டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சியில் கேட்குறது தான். The water on the earth evaporates into the atmosphere due to heat of the sun. The water vapor in the atmosphere forms clouds. From the clouds, water falls on the earth in the form of rain or snow. By the natural process, water gets renewed. This is called water cycle. Water cycle is a continuous process. It involves three stages: evaporation, condensation, and precipitation. It is also called the hydrological cycle. வாட்டர் சைக்கிள் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அகைன் அது எப்படி எவாப்ரேட் ஆகுது, கண்டென்சேஷன் ஆகுது, அகைன் எப்படி ப்ரெசிபிடேஷன் ஆகுது கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. எவாப்ரேஷன். Water from oceans, lakes, ponds and rivers evaporate due to heat of the sun. Condensation. Water vapor which enters into the atmosphere by evaporation moves upward with air, gets cooled and changes into tiny water droplets that form clouds in the sky. Precipitation. The millions of tiny droplets collide with one another to form larger droplets. When the air around the cloud is cool, these drops of water fall in the form of snow or rain. Have you heard of transpiration? It is the process of loss of water from aerial parts of a plant in vapor form. There is a continuous cycling of water and it exists in three forms in nature. Water evaporating from lakes, rivers and oceans forms a gaseous state. Rainwater forms the liquid state. Snows on mountains and polar ice caps form the solid state. These three states occur in nature. Keep the total amount of water on the earth constant even when the whole world is using. Natural source of fresh water. Three types of natural source of fresh water are available on the earth. Surface water. Water present on the surface of the earth such as river, lake, ponds, streams or freshwater wetland is called surface water. Frozen water. Water that is present in the frozen form as polar ice caps and glaciers are called frozen water. A larger portion of water is 68.7% of the total available fresh water is in frozen state. Groundwater. Groundwater is the water present beneath Earth's surface in soil. This water is obtained through springs, open wells, tube wells or hand pumps etc. Groundwater அது எப்படி சேவ் பண்ணுறோன்னா, கீழே வந்து impermeable rock, limestone, then clay, loam, sand and gravel, loam, water save our soil. Do you know the Himalayas contains ice caps, icebergs and glaciers? 10 of Asia's largest river flows from the Himalayas and more than a billion people livelihoods depends on those rivers. Do you know aquatic animals? During winter, water in lakes and ponds in the cold countries will be frozen and a solid layer of ice is formed on the surface of water. Still, aquatic animals living under the ice do not die. This is because the floating layer of ice acts as a protective coat and does it permit heat to escape from water. So, as the water at the surface alone turns to ice, it the existence of aquatic animals. More to know. Water is measured in liter and milliliter. Gallon is also a measure of volume of liquids. 1 gallon equals to 3.785 liter. Water level in the reservoirs is measured in TMC or feet. Water released from dams is measured in cubic feet or second. Conservation of water. There is no change in the total quantity of water available on the earth. It remains the same, but the water useful for plants, animals and man is decreasing day by day. It is called scarcity of water. What are the reasons for scarcity of water? The main reason for scarcity is population explosion, uneven distribution of rainfall, decline of groundwater table, pollution of water, careless use of water. Methods of water conservation. Mainly two methods can be followed for the conservation of water. Water management. Water management consists of the following factors: bringing awareness about the bad effects of throwing waste into the water bodies, recycling of water by separating pollutants. Minimizing the use of chemical fertilizer in agriculture, it reduces the pollution of underground water. Controlling deforestation, adopting drip irrigation and sprinkles irrigation in agriculture. By this way, lesser amount of water can be useful for the irrigation. Rainwater harvesting. Direct collection and uses of rainwater is called rainwater harvesting. There are two types of rainwater harvesting. Collecting water from where it falls. Example, collecting water from the rooftops of the houses or buildings. Roof water harvesting. Collecting following rainwater. Collecting rainwater by constructing ponds with bund. Do you know? Cuvum is an estuary. Estuaries are wetlands where water bodies meet the sea. It is a combination of fresh water from land meeting the salty sea water. Estuaries are home to unique plants and animal species. Importance of water. Human body. Our body uses water in all its cells, organs and tissue to help regulate its temperature and maintain other bodily functions. On an average, the human body requires 2 to 3 liters of water per day for proper functioning. Water helps in digestion of food and removal of toxins from the body. Domestic. Apart from drinking, people use water for many other purposes. These include cooking, bathing, washing clothes, washing utensils, keeping houses and common places clean, watering plants, etc. Agriculture. Water is also essential for the healthy growth of farm crops and farm stock and is used in the manufacture of many products. Industry depends on water at all levels of production. It is used as a material, a solvent, and for generating electricity. Water distribution and treatment system. We know that water is distributed by local bodies. In some areas, which water is obtained from river, lake, and groundwater is treated and distributed. Model of water distribution and treatment plant is shown in figure. Water distribution சொல்லிருக்காங்க. Lake or river to raw water intake to pump, chemical treatment, sludge, coal, sand, gravel போட்டு sand filtration பண்ணிட்டு again disinfection with chlorine and ammonia, storage tank, then water distribution. இப்போ தான் நமக்கு வாட்டர் டிஸ்ட்ரிபியூட் பண்ணுறாங்க. பாயிண்ட்ஸ் டு ரிமெம்பர் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Water is one of the most important components that all animals including human beings and plants depends on for their livelihood. To an extent of 97% of the total water that exists on earth is found in seas and oceans. Only 3% of the fresh water is available in polar ice caps and glaciers. Lakes, rivers, swamps constitute only 0.03% of the surface water. The moisture in the soil indicates the presence of underground water. The continuous circulation of water is in nature is called the water cycle. It is affected by evaporation, condensation, precipitation and transpiration. Groundwater is the water present beneath earth's surface in soil. தேங்க்யூ. இதோட வந்து 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்டு ஃபுல்லாக முடியுது 3 டேர்ம்ஸும். மறக்காமல் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ.